Well, 8 ways to grill chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Here we're talking about direct grilling chicken right over the coals or right over the gas.
Yep.
No safe zone, no 2 zone.
There's no need for it.
Fill the grill with chicken.
Yep.
Marinated chicken thighs.
This one was impressive.
Yeah, chicken thighs, I mean, you can get them in many different forms at the store. You can get them, with the skin and the bone. You can get them with the skin removed and the bone. Or you can get them skinless and boneless. And that's what we went with. There's very little prep involved. Sometimes you got to, a little bit of fat to remove, but for the most part, you're good to go. And the beautiful thing about them is they take marinades so well because there's all these little nooks and crannies in them. And so I just made a simple marinade. It had a lot of lemon, had a lot of lemon zest. It had some rosemary, a ton of garlic, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, salt. And because of the high acidity of this marinade, it was a quick marinade. You don't really want to go for much more than 2 hours because what ends up happening is the acid starts to coagulate the protein of the chicken and it starts to turn white, but it really adds a huge pop of flavor when it's doing that.
And I loved all those chunks of garlic on top. This was a sleeper, and I was so impressed. It was very fast cooked.
Yeah, it's very fast cooked.
And it was almost feel like in the quality of the texture of the meat. I was really stunned by how tender you could cut it with a fork.
Yep. Oh, I love that sound. It never gets old.
Yeah, really. And again, with GrillGrates, you're not worrying about a 2-zone fire like you normally would with a kettle. You put those coals right in the center, didn't you?
I did.
And then you smoothed them out, so we've got a uniform heat on this whole grill.
It's another one of those recipes too that really shines on GrillGrates because what we were able to do is the reserved marinade we poured over those thighs about halfway through the cook.
Yep.
To give it that extra pop of flavor.
And then we didn't flip it again. We left all those garlic chunks on top.
And by doing it halfway through the cook, you're getting rid of any bacteria, so there's no risk there. And it was just everybody here in the office was blown away, and they're all like, I had to produce the recipe immediately.
Yeah, that one I think went the fastest, and I think that's one I will be adding to my repertoire on a regular basis.